Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cleaning Mama 365. If you would like to see how I transformed this pan from this to this, then please stay tuned. Today I'm tackling this messy situation using Easy Off oven spray, a plastic bag, and a steel scrubber pad. Let's see if this method really works. First, I'm grabbing my Easy Off oven spray. This stuff is powerful, so make sure you're in a well-ventilated area and wearing gloves. I'm spraying a generous amount of Easy Off all over the bottom. You want to make sure it's completely coated so it can break down all that grease and grime. Next, I'm placing the pan inside a plastic bag. Here, I'm just using a trash bag. This helps with trapping the fumes and letting the cleaner work more effectively. Once I have it inside the bag, I'm just going to let some of the air out and wrap the bag around the handle to keep the fumes inside. Now it's time to wait. I'm letting this sit for about 2 hours to really loosen up all that built up grease. Alright, it's been 2 hours. Let's see what we're working with. As you can see, the grease has come off onto the bag, and with just a rinse, most of the grease is already coming off the pan. I'm going to take an extra step and use my steel scrubber pad to get off the burnt areas. Now, it's not recommended to use a steel pad because you may damage your pan, but I'm going to use it and try to be as careful as I can. I'm scrubbing in circular motions to lift all that burnt grease. You might need to use a little pressure, but it's already coming off. Now, I did alternate from using my steel pad to my SOS pad, but honestly, the steel one helped the best with removing the burnt on grease. Now once I finished with the scrubbing, I used a little Dawn dish soap to clean off the residue left on the pan. And just like that, my Rachael Ray pan looks almost brand new again. This method really does the trick for stubborn grease and grime. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more cleaning tips, and let me know in the comments what cleaning hacks you swear by. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!